How to create a search box in Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a search box into your website. So basically it is going to be very easy and simple. We can go ahead and find some websites that has the navigation bar or the site navigation search bar, and we can go ahead and do not find it. So basically, normally we're going to find those into the specific header. So in my case, I do not find it. So what can we do is maybe change the website, and maybe we're going to find it here. So as you can see, we do not have it in here, but basically it is going to be represented like this. So I'm going to select maybe a new website and find it. So as you can see, we do not find it here. So that means that they have removed it. No problem. So we are going to select our website from the recent websites, and I have a little bit of a code that you are going to find into the description of this video that will help you to get this navigation bar added, or the search bar. So basically we're going to head over embed, click on embed by code, and then you're going to put your website. But first I need to publish my website, and we are going to need the link of that website. I'm going to view the published website because we need it like that. So this is the link that we need right here. I'm going to copy the link. So we're going to paste it right there. Remember that. Now I do not need this. Click on embed, embed by code or embed code. We're going to put here the code that I'm going to put in the navigation here. But here I have this line, which is going to be action. So this is going to be changeable. So as you can see, google.com, it is not going to be our site, but this one is going to be here. Basically, this one or this step is going to let the Google, as you can see, set up the website of yours. So this is going to be a search bar like that. We're going to put it maybe to the middle or put it wherever you want. So basically that is it. So we are going to have it like this. And this is the, as you can see, search bar. So basically you can go ahead and type in any item in the website and click on search, and normally it will take you to that item directly. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.